If you're getting spam calls on your iPhone, this will fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to block unknown callers and reduce spam calls. Let's start. First, open Settings, then Apps, scroll down and tap Phone. Scroll down and tap Silence. When this is enabled, calls from numbers not in your contacts will be silenced. They won't ring your phone, they will still appear in your recent calls list. Now let's improve this further. Go back to Settings. In the search field, type Messages. Scroll down and turn on Screen Unknown Senders. This separates messages from unknown numbers. Now go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled only for important alerts. Next, let's block a number manually. Open the phone app, tap Recents, find the number you want to block. Tap the info icon next to it. Scroll down and tap Block Caller. Confirm. That number is now blocked. You can also use focus mode to reduce interruptions. Go to Settings, tap Focus, create a new focus, allow calls only from your contacts. This blocks unknown callers during that time. That's it. You should now see far fewer spam calls on your iPhone.